All right, picking up where I left off after we stopped the dog from barking. Sorry about that. It does appear to me too that there's another mistake in the text again on this one. So anyway, let me go through here. This is going to be, so when we distribute over here, we're going to get 3.43 plus, and then again the pi's cancel, so you're going to get 8n, okay? Or, and it's going to be negative 3.43 plus 8n, and it's either this or this, right? Plus 0.6 equals x. All right, so now we're going to subtract 0.6 from both sides, from both disjuncts, really, and we're going to get 3.43, not subtract, we're going to add, sorry, 3.43 plus 0.6, right? So it looks like I'm going to get 4.0343 plus 8n, okay? Or I'm going to get negative 3.43 plus 0.6. So I'm going to get negative 2.83 plus 8n equals x. All right, so now we just look at the different possibilities. So let me erase some of this up here because I don't want to erase my graph because I just want to show that we get, I don't know, I want to keep my graph up there. All right, so now we'll let n equal negative 1. But I think if I let n equal negative 1, I'll get a negative value. Yeah, my first disjunct will be negative, and this will definitely be negative, so now forget that. Let's let n be 0. If n is 0, I'll get, so this is the first possibility, n is 0. So if n equals 0, I'll get 4.03, or I'll get negative 2.83. And you remember, we're radians, equals x. So I'll get those two values of x. So this looks like my first positive value right there. Okay, if n equals 1, then it looks like I'm going to get 4.03 plus 1, so I'm going to get 12.03, right? 12.03, or let's see, I'll get negative 2.83 plus 8. So I'll get 5.17. 17 radians. We're just in radians here, so I don't know. What do we write there? Radians. Okay, or 5.17 radians. And we don't usually write the word. We know we're talking about radians when we don't have theta. Okay, so it looks like this is going to be my second positive right here, and that makes sense. Look at there's the first. There it is up there, right? 4.03. Here's the second, which is 5.17. That makes sense. It's what we have up here. And look right here. This is going to be the third, and I'll bet you anything that's the third. So it's going to be 12.03. Our guess was 11.1, 12.03. You know, we're close. Let's go up to n equals 2 just to make sure that, you could just see I'm going to be pretty big there. I'm going to get 4.03 plus, let's see if n is 2, plus 16. So I'll get 20.03. I suppose I could have done that in my head, radians. Or I'll get negative 2.83 plus 16 again, so I'll get 13.7. So yeah, that this is going to be 2 equals x. That would be that's going to be this one right here. If I go back to a light blue or something, it's going to be this one right here, right? Or it would be this one right here. All right, so the third one, the third one is this one right here. It's going to be the 12.03. Notice your book gives the second one, and he underlines, he says, so the third positive value of x is about 5.1743. No, that is the second positive value of x. The third one is 12.03. So, all right, hope that helps, and we'll talk to you all later.